dumpster rental service in Mashpee, Massachusetts. Is your home renovation generating mountains of debris, and do you need a dumpster rental service in Mashpee, Massachusetts? Perhaps you're finally tackling that long-overdue spring cleaning. Whatever your waste removal needs may be, We Dump It has the perfect solution for you. We Dump It offers a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate any project, big or small. Their dumpsters are perfect for construction debris, yard waste, and furniture removal. They don't just drop off the dumpster and leave you to it, they also provide junk removal and construction debris removal services, making your cleanup project a breeze. But what truly sets We Dump It apart is its exceptional customer service. The positive reviews speak for themselves, praising its friendly and professional staff, competitive pricing, and efficient service. Ready to reclaim your space and dispose of your waste responsibly? Call We Dump It today at 508-776-4740 to learn more about their dumpster rental service in Mashpee, Massachusetts, and get a free quote. Don't let waste removal slow you down. We Dump It can help you get the job done quickly and easily.